Okay, now we're on page 8 of the Overman Review Packet. What parts must be congruent to prove that triangle PQR, this one, and PSR are congruent by side angle side? So first of all, I am going to make a note that PR is congruent to PR. I know that. How do I know that? Well, that's called the reflexive property. That's like saying 3 equals 3. So something is congruent to itself. And so I just need two angles. If it's side, angle, side, I'm going to need an angle and a side. So let's see, angle Q to angle S and QP. So if we're looking at this one, angle Q to angle S and then having this side and that side would be side, side angle, or angle, side, side, right? That's not allowed. That's the naughty postulate. If it spells a naughty word, backward and forward, it's not a real postulate. Backward or forward, I should say. All right, let's try this again. Angle Q, I don't think angle Q is going to work because whatever angle I'm using should be up here, here. If it's going to be side, angle, side, or side, angle, side. So I don't think angle Q can work. Let's see, angle Q, QR, angle S, SR, that again would be side, side, angle, side, side, angle. That's the naughty postulate. It doesn't work. All right. Q, it's not really a postulate. QRP, so angle QRP. Ooh, this is looking more promising. All right. And angle SRP, okay, that would be it. So if we have these two sides, that looks good. QP, oh, it's giving me this side. It's giving me QP and PS. Well, or SP. Unfortunately, that's angle, side, side, angle, side, side. Again, the naughty postulate. So that doesn't work. All right. Angle QPR. Okay. And angle SPR. I'm very hopeful since this is my last choice. And QP and SP. Oh, let me do 2 marks. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. We're fine. So it is D. Next problem. How long is EF? And what you can tell right now is E is the midpoint of this side and F is the midpoint of this side. All right? So one thing we know about this segment is that it is half the length of this segment. So we can just say that's 35. 70 divided by 2 equals 35. If you had wanted to set up a proportion, you could have done that as well. You could have said, okay, do the big triangle 20, actually, yeah, 20, so we make 40 the whole length here, 70 here, and then do the small triangle X and 20. So you could say 40 is to 70 as 20 is to X. And you see it's going to give you the same answer. You'll still get 35. But it sure is nice knowing about this mid-segment, and that is just half of the base here. So the answer is D. Last problem on this page. A number line is shown below. Point P will be picked at random on EK. So from E to K. And you notice there the length is 5. What is the probability that the P will be on F to K? So you just take the length of this segment, which is 4, over the total length, which is 5. So your answer is 4/5, or C.